Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit the appearance of your buttons on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, the appearance options you have for your buttons are quite limited in this editor right over here. You could possibly go and edit the custom CSS and make your buttons look different, but for now, I'm just going to show you how you can basically change the appearance. Now, what I'm going to do first, as you can see, I have three buttons over here. So let's say I want to change them. I'm going to go over into edit and I'm going to click on one of the buttons and try to edit it. And if I go here, as you can see, you can select the button type and you can change the link, pin it, duplicate it, but that is pretty much all you can do. If I go over into the edit page, you can select the content of the button and you can go over into design, and you can also just change the button design, and that is pretty much all you can do. You can select fit or fill, and that's going to change your button's appearance. And if I go ahead and click on the styles, click on edit button styles, it's going to appear as this, and you can click on it and change the appearance of the button like so. However, as you can see, for this layout, I can only change the color and the shape, so let's change the shape like so. And then if I go back, you can also change the primary, secondary, and tertiary styles for the buttons if you so choose. But yeah, those are all the options that you have for appearance. Now, to change the actual color of the button, what you're going to want to do is go over into site styles, and you're going to go into themes and choose the appropriate theme. As you can see, next to every theme, you can see the button styles and colors that are available. So for example, if I change it to this, as you can see, the button color as well as the button appearance changes as well, the font as well, and everything. And you can go ahead and go into your site style and click on button, and you can browse the customization options that are available to you. So if I click customize, it's pretty much the same customization options from before. Click the arrow, the same thing happens. So you're very limited in the color options for your buttons. But for example, let's say I would like this appearance and I want to save it. Go ahead and click exit. If you want to change anything else on your site, you might need to employ custom CSS or cascade style sheets. And what you're going to do for that is go into pages. Under website, go ahead and scroll down and click on website tools and click on custom CSS, and you'll be able to add custom CSS code to this to edit the appearance of the buttons if you so choose. And that is basically it. You really don't have any other options for changing your button style. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.